Hi guys, my name is Dion Durr at Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're going to talk about our miracle single flat door. Single flat door is we're showcasing with the low E glass today. It's also available in different kinds of glass, different colors available on the door itself, and an optional screen is available also. Now, this door is another door like the Beverly, and we're using 4-inch tubes on the sides to create a larger space for the glass. So you're getting more glass. Door looks larger, and this door is 40 by 81. And just looks a lot larger. It almost looks like a 42-inch. Again, this is one of our house designs my dad drew up a while back, and we've had great success with this, and definitely one of our top picks at Pinky's with all of our staff with this door. Guys, on this miracle flat door, customization is also available. You can add a kick plate, you can do whatever you like with this, and just contact us and we'll have that arranged for you. We're on the back of the Miracle door. The Miracle door has a operable glass. Untwist the knobs, flip them over, glass opens. Again, this is so that you can clean the glass easily. You can clean the scrollwork easily, and also you can use it to get breeze in. With that optional screen, you won't get the plugs in, but you get the breeze in. Glass on this door, the glass goes all the way down, so you have a full piece of glass. A lot of light's going to come in. Pretty incredible whenever there's a lot of light coming into the house. It's pretty cool. Hey guys, thank you for watching our Miracle Showcase today. If you have any questions, please email us at info@pinkysirondors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. If you have any questions, we'll be here. Thank you. See you guys in the next store.